Hey guys, what's going on? What's good? So it's gonna be a quick video. I'm just going to be sharing with you guys a few things that I purchased from Amazon. So it's an Amazon haul. Alrighty, so I have my notes here and I want to make sure that I show you guys and tell you guys about everything. So we have a few makeup products and we have a few things for the skin and maybe one household items. All right, so the first thing that we have this Biol oil, skincare oil, right? So the reason why I got this because if you guys could see right here, I had a little some little irritation right there. I don't even know where it came from, like a little pimple, and I scratched it, and then girl, within like 2 days it was dark. So this is supposed to help for old scars and for new scars. So I'm going to be using this. So if you have some scars that you're trying to get rid of, that will be, you know, I would recommend it. I've heard of it before, so I just want to tell you guys about it a little bit. Let me see. So it's a skincare body serum for face and body, moisturizer with vitamin A, E. It's for scars, stretch marks, sensitive skin, all type of skin, and it's dermatologically tested. Alrighty, so this bottle that I have is $21, and then they have a smaller size. This is 6.7 ounce, and they have a smaller size for like 18. So I got this one because I'm gonna use it everywhere. Also in the skincare line, I have this, and this is where I got it from Amazon. I just got a replacement. This was like about maybe $12. Yeah, this is the ordinary glycolic acid toner. This is probably like my 4th bottle, so I like to use this after I wash my face, just, you know, to tone and to keep my little pigmentation wherever I have any spots. It clears it up really good with this. So it's affordable, so I would recommend this little toner. Alrighty, next thing I have, let's see what I should do next. Okay, this is not my first time using this. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. You can wear your, it says you can wear your makeup up to 36 hours. I don't know how we can do that, or how do we do that, but yeah, love this. It was on Amazon for like, I think it was like $9.99 or something like that. It was like $10 or less. Alrighty, so this is supposed to be a dupe for the Patrick Star Until Dawn, the one size Until Dawn. So if you're looking for a good little setting spray, I think in the regular stores like Target or Ulta, it's like probably $15. So that's what I got. Next, and I got these beauty puffs that I use when I set my under eye. So it comes with 6. So this is not my first time buying it from Amazon. These are like $4.99. So I got 2. So we have 12 of them. You can wash these once you know you have used them. You can wash these. So I love these. So my makeup. What else I have? Also, I opened it already and took out one this morning. I got these 0% latex. I guess maybe it was latex-free, cruelty-free, soft and bouncy. When, you know, this is what I use to do my under eyes. Also, you can use it to do your makeup. This was about, let me see if I can tell you the real price. Hold on. Girl, how much it costs? Oh, $5.99. Yeah, it's $5.99. It comes with 6. But this is a good buy. They're very soft. I buy these. I don't buy the beauty blender. I think I only have one beauty blender. It's too expensive for one. So you can have this and you can wash them over and over again. Also, I have this Infallible brows lamination. It's supposed to hold your brows up to like, what's it, 24 hours. So I saw someone use this in a video and I said, let me try it. So we haven't tried this out as yet. This was like $10, so but I will try it out in the next video and let you guys know how it works. Does it have a color on it? It doesn't have a color. Let me just double check if there's any color to it. Yeah, I don't think there's any color. I think it's clear. Yeah. It says 24-hour, no residue, no sticky texture, and it's sweat proof. Okay, so we're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to see if that's true. Also, I did buy another one of the makeup Maybelline Lifter liner, brown pencil. You guys know that I've been using this. Let me swatch it for you just in case you haven't seen my video with the other one. But this is my third one. They're really good and creamy. Look how creamy and buttery it is. So if you're looking for a good liner, I would definitely recommend. Like I said, this is my third one, so I really like it. I also saw these lipsticks on Amazon. I was just looking, and I'm just looking for the description to make sure I give it to you correctly. These are it's called the Maroon Gradient Matte Lipstick. Crayon lip pencil, I should say. So the packaging looks like this, right? And then I want to show you guys the colors. Hold on. So this is how it looks. This is plastic, and it just says Dunuf, D-U-N-U-F. Hope you guys saw that. Alright, that's how it looks. I think this is a darker one. See, it looks like a crayon like. And I'm going to show you the color next to this one. It's pretty close, if I might say so. Yeah, but I like the shape of it, so it feels very creamy, so I can't wait to use it. These are like $4.99. Were they? No, actually $6.99. Not sure if that's how much they were when I bought them. So I bought two different colors. I just wanted to try it out. This one is another color, but I think this one is a little lighter. So we'll put this one. That's how this one looks. We'll put this one at the bottom. This one kind of looked like it will kind of blend in to my skin. I don't know if you could see it. It's right here. Okay, so let's see if I can put it on a piece of paper so I could show it to you, the true color. I'm gonna put it on this box. That's the color. So it's lighter than the other color. So maybe I can use that one as a liner and then put this one on the inside. I have another thing. I have two more things. So I have this. I love this dual-ended brush. I have the black one right here. And this is good for like your contour. It's Kingmas. This was like $5.99. So this is the second one. Actually, it looks a little smaller. Yeah, it looks smaller. But it's from the same Kingmas. So it has this part where you can use for like your contour. This one you probably can use for your highlight, you know, or to apply cream blush. So I really like these, so that's why I got another one. And another thing that I have, I bought this curly unit. I just saw it and I thought it was nice. Onswet 100% virgin human hair. It's bleach, is colored, And it also comes with it's human hair. It also comes with a an elastic strap inside. So in the box comes the two, you know, standard stocking cap. It comes with the melting band, which this is like my third one, this actual same exact print. And it comes with a little satin bag that has the name on there. So once I wear the wig, I might do like a try on with it, you'll see. So it's a bob, right? So we won't even try it on because we want to wash it first. And this was like maybe 40 something. It wasn't that expensive. It wasn't that expensive at all. So the last thing I have, let me grab it. The last thing I have, right, is this. So it's a water kettle. I'm a tea girl, right? Tea girl, coffee girl. In the mornings, I need something hot. So I had one and I only kept it at work, but I dropped it and a part of the top part broke off. So I bought another one from Amazon. So it looks like this when the water is boiling. It looks blue, like a blue light. It's really, really pretty. It's a good size too. So sometimes I share my tea, you know, or if my coworkers want to make tea, they'll use it. I leave it in my desk at the office. So this was like about $26. So I had to get another one. So those are the few little things that I purchased. So this was like a quick little video. I just wanted to show you guys, just in case you might be interested in something that I showed today. I'll be sure to leave the links of everything down. Also, I do have an Amazon storefront, so I need to practice putting, so I'm gonna put these things in there. So if just in case you guys need something here, I'll put it in my Amazon storefront so that you can, it'll be easy access for you. And that's all we have for today. Just like that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this little Amazon haul. I hope that you see something here that might be helpful to you. And if you do, I will leave it down in the description section. Again, if you love this video and you love my other content, please remember, once you watch the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so that you will never miss an upload. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.